Okay, so for my trial, I'm going to go over an explanation on how to go through our 2D and 3D shapes lesson online. This is a lesson I created for my students in one of my previous classes. So when you get to the website, it's called 2D, 3D Shapes, and it has an introduction. And it just says on the next few pages you will begin an exploration into the world of 2D and 3D shapes. You'll be reviewing the names and properties of 2D and 3D shapes. You're going to be exploring through readings, interactive games, and taking small review quizzes. And at the end is an assessment covering all of the materials learned. There's also a games page provided for you to explore on your own time. It says, please start at the Let's Begin page and continue through each lesson until you reach the final test. So once you get to this page, you can click the Let's Begin button at the bottom, and it will take you to a screen that's a quiz. Now, you do have to do a little bit of scrolling on the right-hand side. This bar here you have to click and drag down. And then I want you to go through and answer these questions. If there is a question that has a space in it, you can click and type the answer in it. And then you can again click on the bar to scroll down. And there's some multiple choice questions that you will have to answer, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You just click on the answer that you think is right. And before you click on lesson one, I want you to click on check answers. So I want you to make sure you went through, and any questions you got wrong, I want you to double check. So once you're comfortable with this, you can click on lesson one, and it tells you what to do. It says watch the video. I want you to listen for the names that belong with each shape. When you're ready to listen to the video, click play, this big red button right here. And when you're all set, you'll just click next. And again, you're just going to keep following the directions, read each page, scroll down. Once you finish that page, click on next. And you're going to continue to do that. Some of them have activities on them and they tell you what to do. Some of them will say the next lesson, and you're just going to keep scrolling through the pages. And when you get all the way to lesson 4, if you have any questions you want to review before you take the test, you can click on 2D shapes or common 3D shapes that will help you review the shapes. And then I want you to take the final test. And it's just like the one before. Scroll through, click on the answers you think are correct. When you're finished, you're going to click submit. And then with any time left over, at the top here is a tab that says games. You are welcome to play any of these games. They're going to help you review the different shapes and just have some relaxing time while we wait for the other students to finish. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. Thank you.